In this video, I'm going to show you how to get out of debt even when you are broke. Hey there, my name is Steve and I know that being in debt can be really stressful. Especially when you don't have a lot of money to work with. In this video, I'm going to show you a few steps that you can take to get out of debt even when you're struggling financially. So please stay tuned. 1. Stop using your credit cards. This may seem like common sense, but if you're trying to get out of debt, the first thing you need to do is stop using your credit cards. Every time you use your credit card, you're racking up more debt that you'll eventually have to pay off. So put your credit cards away and vow to only use them in case of an emergency. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the best ways to get out of debt is to create a budget and stick to it. Figure out how much money you have coming in each month and how much money you need to spend on essentials like food, shelter, and transportation. Then, see how much money you have left over and use that to pay off your debt. 3. Sell unused belongings on eBay or Craigslist. Do you have any unwanted clothes, furniture, or electronics taking up space in your home? If so, sell them on eBay or Craigslist and use the money to pay off your debt. 4. Negotiate with your creditors to reduce your payments or interest rates. If you're having trouble making your monthly payments, reach out to your creditors and see if they're willing to reduce your payments or interest rates. Many times, they'll be willing to work with you if you're honest about your financial situation. 5. Take out a loan from a friend or family member. If you're really struggling to get out of debt, you may need to take out a loan from a friend or family member. Just make sure you have a solid plan in place for how you're going to repay the loan so you don't end up in more debt. 6. Use a debt consolidation service. If you have multiple debts with different interest rates, it can be helpful to use a debt consolidation service. This will allow you to combine all of your debts into one monthly payment with a lower interest rate. 7. Make more money. One of the best ways to get out of debt is to simply make more money. If you can get a part-time job or start a side hustle, you'll have more money to put towards your debt. 8. Live modestly until you are out of debt. Finally, if you're really serious about getting out of debt, you may need to make some sacrifices and live modestly until you're debt-free. This may mean giving up some luxuries or eating out less, but it will be worth it when you're out of debt. Getting out of debt can be really tough, especially when you're broke. But if you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming debt-free. Thanks for watching.